A lot of people think you need to be famous to make money on Instagram. That's not true. What you really need is a focused niche, valuable content, and a way to turn attention into income. First, understand this: followers are not the goal. Trust is the goal. A small account with 3,000 loyal followers can make more money than an account with 100,000 random ones. Engagement and trust always win. The first way to earn money on Instagram is affiliate marketing. This means you promote products you genuinely like, and when someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. The key is not to sell, it's to show results. Share real experiences, tutorials, or before and after content. Make it helpful, not pushy. The second way is brand deals. Companies pay creators to promote their products. You don't need millions of followers. Brands care about engagement, audience type, and content quality. If your page is focused on fitness, beauty, tech, travel, or business, and your audience interacts with you, you're valuable to brands. Another powerful way to earn is by selling your own product or service. This could be digital products, presets, workout plans, ebooks, online courses, coaching, photography, or even handmade items. Instagram becomes your marketing machine. Your content builds authority, and your bio link becomes the bridge to your offer. You can also monetize through Instagram subscriptions, badges on live videos, and bonuses if they're available in your region. Going live regularly and building a strong connection with your audience increases your earning potential. Now let's talk about strategy. Step 1. Pick a niche. Don't post random content. Choose one main topic and stay consistent. When Instagram understands your content, it shows it to the right people. Step 2. Optimize your profile. Your bio should clearly say who you help and how. Your profile picture should be clean and recognizable. Your highlights should explain what you do and what you offer. Step 3. Focus on short-form video. Reels are the fastest way to grow. Start with strong hooks. Get to the point quickly. Keep the energy high and deliver value fast. Step 4. Build relationships. Reply to comments. Answer DMs. Engage with similar creators. Instagram rewards interaction, and relationships turn followers into customers. And most importantly, think long-term. Don't chase quick money. Build a brand. When people trust you, they buy from you. When they buy from you once and get value, they come back again. Making money on Instagram is not about luck. It's about consistency, clarity, and value. If you show up daily, improve your content, and focus on helping your audience, income becomes a natural result of the influence you build. Start now. Stay consistent. And treat your page like a business, not just a hobby.